Alright, it's a good storm. Let's not kid ourselves. The lawn was just mowed. We got a nice little flood going on back here, as you can see. It's not obviously the ideal situation. Now, what you'll see is the yard drainage really wasn't well planned either. We're in the low spot, it seems like, in the neighborhood. Hindsight, had I known, had I really understood what that inspector was telling me, now that I do, I wouldn't have closed on the house until it was fixed. So, but I did. We have a huge problem here. My concern, obviously, is this. We are, for all practical purposes, inches away from a terrible problem.